Asuntoskehtiölahden asematori.
This is also interesting today here on a, but I didn't film the before or I don't think so.
Yeah.
Today on the 40 virtual ride 2025 we have Vesijärvenkatu 2 stickers D. I think I've filmed C, sticker C before.
Yeah.
So I have the stickers as A and B right too.
Yeah, I have only A left.
Yeah. This is also here in Lahti, Finland. The best is to reverse into reverse, modernized with the picture sticker is still grey, but this is still on the edge because it's green still.
Yeah.
But one driver.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. It has some forms, but in 1952, rise in 2016, but green, that's in British 472. Like this one here.
Same here.
It's quite snow for some floors.
Yeah.
Swedish and English here.
Yeah.
And those instructions for the Kone service center. That's cool. I think
That's
they should have preserved the original interior here.
yeah.